Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fold an umbrella stroller. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is the umbrella stroller. Folding it is really easy, just as I said, and this will be instructional, so I'll be showing you step by step how to fold it up. Very simple. My wife and kids and I, we have 4 young kids. My wife and kids and I just went to Myrtle Beach actually for our little vacation. And we actually brought 2 of these along because we have 2 young twins and then 2 kids that are a few years older. And I really learned how to use them really quickly. They're so easy to use. So here's how to fold it. Essentially, there's a few simple steps. The first thing that you want to do is you want to unlock the bottom. So I'm just going to flip my camera screen out so I can see what you all see because I want to make sure you get the best view possible. All right, including of the pythons over here. All right, anyways, right here there's a little locking mechanism. And you can do this with your foot. I'm just gonna show you with my hand. Essentially, if I push this to the side, it's gonna unlock it, just like that. So I just pushed it to the side. On this one, it's to the left, but some of them you just push it up. But essentially, you want to unlock this little bracket right here, okay? Once that has been unlocked, the next thing that you want to do is you want to pull this up. Now, on some, there will be a handle like this. On others, it's just going to be like a little bracket, but you want to fold this upwards. So I'm going to take this right here, and I'm going to pull this upwards, just like that. And now what it is, sorry, there's a fly buzzing around in my garage here. Now what I can do is I can fold it up. So to fold it up, you want to bring the handles together like this, and you're going to bring it forward to collapse it. So I'm bringing the handles together. So I just click this back in. So I'm going to unclick that again. And you're going to bring the handles together like this. And then you're going to fold it forward like that. Okay? You've now folded the umbrella stroller. And what you can do is most of them will have some sort of locking mechanism. Just like that. You can lock it together, carry it around, and you're good to go. Now what I'll do is I'll show you one more time very quickly. I'm just going to unlock and open it up. Okay? Very easy to do. So I'm going to open it up right here, just like that. So I'll show you in a more timely manner, on a sort of like a regular speed. So you're going to undo the bottom bracket, just like that. It's now clicked up. Just make sure you can move it, and it's clicked up like that. Then you're going to undo the top bracket, just like that. You're going to bring the handles together, fold it forward like this, okay? And then you can carry it like this, but I would recommend that if it does have a locking mechanism like this little bracket over here, then you're going to want to go ahead and you're going to want to lock it just to make sure it doesn't come apart. And that's it. These things are so convenient. They're so lightweight. It's, we actually have a double stroller, and we have full double stroller, and we have, wow, I look really built on this for this view for some reason. I'm not actually this ripped, but I look pretty decently ripped. I usually have dad bod, but anyways, we have a full double stroller, we have a single stroller with a glider board, and those are just too big to fit in the van when you're packing stuff for 4 kids and 2 adults for almost 2 weeks. So these things were unbelievably great. And yeah, I just figured I'd make a tutorial showing you how to fold it up. And that's basically it. Yeah, that's how to fold an umbrella stroller easily. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.